Hey guys, Derek here with the Closet Doctor, and I've got what I believe is my greatest improvement that I have ever made in the shop. Let me show you what we're doing. So have you ever been out here working or had one of your employees out here working with the Edgebander and you're feeding a whole bunch of parts and you're not paying attention to what's going on, and all of a sudden you look over and the coil is empty. And so you run down to the end that you've got, you run down to the end and you see you got a whole stack of parts and all of them look just like this. They've got glue on them. The corners have been around and everything. They look perfect, except there's no freaking tape on it because you ran out of tape. So I have set up, I got tired of having that problem, and so what I've set up is a little limit switch that we feed stuff through. I've got a power source and some scrap LEDs out of our Hayful light bin. And so now, let me turn everything on. And now when I feed it through, so this laser here is for another thing, tells me that I got the part on the right position. I've got some edge banding in it here, but I don't have enough. It's gonna run out here in a second. So we're gonna push our piece in. Watch over, it's gonna feed the part. And boom, the limit, when there's no tape in it, the limit switch comes on and it turns on this big bright set of lights that we know now that we are out of edge banding tape. This is a really simple setup, just some Amazon parts and some scrap out of my my junk pile. Limit switch here from Amazon. It's got an adjustable arm on it and it slides back and forth. That turns our light on and off. When you feed the tape in, so you're going to put a new roll on, you're going to feed it in. And I'm doing this left-handed here, so it takes a little bit of work, but you just slide it in and that activates or deactivates the limit switch. And it's there and shuts the light off. And then as we use the tape, I'm obviously pulling this back in reverse, but when it's out of tape, it turns the light on, notifying the operator that, hey, stop feeding parts in here. It's big and bright. I could have done it, another red light or something like that over here. This is what I had in the pile of stuff to make it happen nice and easy.